In this video, we are going to see how we can import all the contacts automatically in address book of Microsoft Outlook just by using the data that you have in Excel. So here we have the sample data that you can find with the resources section of this video. Now, in order to import the complete data in Microsoft Outlook, so what we can do is just click on the file menu and click on open and export. And here you will get both of the options of import and export. Let's choose that. And guys, also make sure that you have successfully converted that particular Excel file into a CSV format. So if you haven't, let's quickly do that. Click on save as, and wherever you want to save, just make sure that you change it to CSV format. Here it is, comma delimited CSV. Just choose that, click on save, close out of here. And we will choose import from another program or file, click next. And as you can see, it only supports comma separated values, that is the CSV format. Click next. Allow duplicates to be created. I'll just keep it as it is. No issues. And here it is only showing the CSV file. Click open, click next. And here it says the destination folder where you want to save it. So we basically want to save it in our contacts. So wherever you can see the contacts, just save it there, click next. And it's automatically checked because it has correctly mapped it perfectly. We have generated this from ChatGPT. Otherwise, if you have different values, you have to manually match it. Here you can see comma separated values. This is from the CSV sheet and this is the Microsoft Office Outlook fields. But still you can see that although the values are perfectly picked up, that Microsoft Outlook still has some different fields. So what we have to do is we have to map all the fields. For example, the comma separated values has a name field named full name. And here in the Microsoft Outlook, it can be used in first name, middle name, last name, or just the name. So what we will do is just hold and drag it to the name field. So it's basically mapped from full name. Company, let's map it. It's already mapped. Whatever is automatically mapped, you can see that below. Let's mention the full name in the first name as well. So now it is mapped under this field. Actually, let's keep it in the name. And rest, most of the fields are automatically mapped. You can map whatever is not there. I'll just use this mapped fields only. Click OK. All right. Click OK. And let's actually go back, click on map fields again. We just want to make sure that the emails are properly mapped. So here it is, email. And under the email section, we have nothing mapped. So let's map this, click OK. Let's finish this and let's see that if it is able to import the contacts or not. After the import is done, what we can do is just click on the people on the left hand corner and you can see all of these contacts are imported in your address book. We can use that easily in our new email. Just switch to mail section, click on new email. And whenever we click on address book, all of these addresses are mentioned that we can use. Double click, click OK. And that's how you use it. Also, let me just show you another view. If we go to the contacts again, we have different kind of views. This is just for the people showing their email addresses. If you want to switch it to business cards, as you can see, for each particular contact, a business card is generated in a beautiful way. All you have to do is just add the picture and it will look so professional like this. You can also take the printout of that. Click on print and as you can see, business cards are generated for all. Similarly, we can generate the cards kind of style, the phone list, a simple list, and so on and so forth. You can also manage the views from here. So this is how you can import and easily manage all of your contacts directly by importing it from Excel and managing it in the address book feature in Microsoft Outlook. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.